Alright, this is a bike check. So I got premium reviews resist tires on both ends. Got an Eastern front load stem, perfect 10 bars. Eastern stolen money grips, stolen bar ends. Eastern rim with a, I think it's a premium cassette in front. Haro frame, which sucks when getting a new one. Premium cranks, Eastern twisted PC pedals, poverty pivotal seat, and E-clat pivotal stem. Yeah, I don't know what the hell it is, but a purple rim, Eastern cassette head with a KMC chain, the stolen 25-2 sprocket. I'll do a sound check once. Whatever, but anyways, alright, peace.